Aud Cad analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Aud Cad forex pair and we'll do the analysis. Before we move on with the analysis, let me tell you something we have to offer is that you have to subscribe. Okay, so subscribe, which is free, like the video, which is absolutely free. Okay, so this analysis which I'm doing, normally people charge thousands of dollars for this analysis which I'm giving you for free for particular pairs. Okay, so for example, if you go to my channel, you will see I have done US pairs analysis already today, and now I'm doing Aud Cad. Okay, so to do the analysis for specific pairs, people even charge membership and all that. Okay, I'm doing this for free for now. So before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and there will be some links below the video. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading, so you can click on this link, come to this page, check out how this method works, check out all these proofs, because this is for those people who are not into manual trading, or they don't have time, or they're not interested to learn manual trading. Okay, so in case you want to do something on automation by using a software, a bot, then you can check out this program if you want to. The first link below. Second link says join Telegram for free, so click on this link and join my Telegram channel. And in case you need to start forex trading and you're looking for a reliable broker, then you can check out these brokers, sign up with them and start trading. Okay, let's go back and do our Aud Cad analysis. Before that, I have to give you some disclaimers. Number one disclaimer is that my videos are for educational purposes only, and I don't take any responsibility for your profits and losses. Okay, second is I don't focus on scalpers and short-term traders. So in case you are doing trading on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, I will not get into that. But I will do the high time frame analysis, and depending on that, you can decide what kind of trades you are supposed to take if you are a 5-minute or 15-minute trader. Okay, so let's talk about those traders who are here. Meaningful traders mean who are here to stay in a long run game. Okay, so we will start with our basics, which remains quite simple. We'll start with a top down approach. So we'll start with the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, we can see that the pair is still in the downtrend. Okay, daily is still in the downtrend, and 4-hour is in the uptrend. Okay, remember, I have to remind you one thing. This kind of analysis costs you thousands of dollars. To do the analysis of specific pairs, break them down, what's going to happen next week, this costs you thousands of dollars. I'm giving this to you for free for now. Okay, anyways, so basics are quite simple. You have to look for 3 time frames: weekly, daily, and 4-hour. Out of these 3 time frames, 2 time frames needs to be in the same direction. So for now, weekly is sell, daily is also sell, but 4-hour is buy. Okay, what is supposed to happen? What could happen here? 2 possibilities: either this will continue the downtrend, or it will break the EMA in daily and it will continue the uptrend. Okay, maybe I think the downtrend is over, but we will have to wait and see. Okay, but if we go by the data as of today, then we are surely in the downtrend. Okay, weekly, as you can see, we are down, and daily we are down as well. But don't be shocked if in 2 days this EMA is broken and this candle closes above this EMA. Okay, which means then we will have 4-hour as our uptrend, and we will also have daily as our uptrend, which means the uptrend will start. Okay, but if we get a red candle, so if the red candle eats this blue candle, okay, if the red candle closes below this blue candle somewhere here, that means we will continue the downtrend, or it could be a pullback of this uptrend as well. I hope you understand. Okay, so in this case, you have to wait. If the candle in the daily chart, if the candle eats this blue candle, then take the sell position, and don't go for more than 50 pips, I would say. Maybe if go for 1:2 ratio. Actually, okay, you know how it works, right? Go for 1:2 ratio and manage your trade, manage your stop losses. And as of today, if you ask me, weekly is in the downtrend, daily is in the downtrend, 4-hour is in the uptrend. So we'll ignore that unless daily turns into the uptrend as well. So we have to wait and watch. If this blue candle in daily is eaten by the red candle, we will go short. If this blue candle, if we get one new blue candle which crosses above the EMA, that means we will be in the uptrend. In that case, we'll have to wait for the pullback and then for the confirmation candle and then go. So I think that's the future. I will make videos about that in the coming days. But for as of today, we are in the downtrend. If you see a red candle eating this blue candle, then go for this sell trade. Otherwise, wait for this blue candle to break above the EMA and then look for the buying opportunities after the pullback. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like, check out these links and join Telegram. Check out, brokers, whatever. Okay. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.